Dr. Altenberg, Leo Altenberg, from El Paso Men's Clinic.
I'm Eric Martinez from El Paso Men's Clinic.
As far as the workshop is concerned, it was well structured. It gives us an idea of how to develop more leads and to organize those leads to convert them to paying customers, clients, patients actually.
Yeah, the whole strategic workshop was very beneficial for pretty much anyone and everyone that's in your staff or on your staff or in your practice. It really taught you not how to just get patients, but how to keep them and how to keep growing your practice and improving your income over time. So it was very good to learn. It was a lot of information, but I feel like it really helped us out in the long run.